Good morning, everybody. Day 4 of the North-South Trail and the land between the lakes. Sign is still here. It's nice of them to put the garbage can here. That was real handy this morning. I went back to their website. It's still very early in the morning. I went to their website. It does say, and I even took a picture of it, that it was the 24th and 25th. Of course, this is 26, so it should be open. I'm assuming that they just hadn't got to work yet or hadn't got around to taking this down. I tried to call a number, got the extension for closures that's on their website, and it just refers me back to the alerts section of their website. And according to it, this was just supposed to be over the past weekend. So this is Monday morning. So I'm going to assume it's okay to go ahead and that this will be removed here shortly. And I'm camped not far down there. We've got 23.7 miles to go. Yeah, this is what I'm walking in. Oh, a little steep hill. It's not long, but it's steep. Hey, somebody else has walked through here this morning, because I believe the rain would have washed that away. Not sure, but I've seen some spider webs up behind, higher than my head. Something went through those, but wow, would you look at that? Maybe you can see it on the camera. Good. Can't tell with this little screen. But that, way up there is the sun trying to shine through. Well, it looks like the horse trail is going to the left. Where do I see that right arrow? Well, I may be going to the left. I don't know. Thought I saw an arrow back here somewhere pointing to the right. Oh, right there it is. Oh, I may be going to the right. Well, we just come out to the road. Highway 100. It's got a right blaze. It says Bullock Cemetery. I don't remember seeing a cemetery this morning. I'm not really seeing which way the trail goes. Maybe it's down the road just a little way. We'll see. Hey, I hope everyone's having a great day. I screwed up royally back there somehow. But I had little white markers like I've had on the rest of the trail all the way out to the road. But my app shows a trail a quarter-mile back, so evidently I should have stayed on trail 8. I don't know. I don't know what happened there. Maybe it hung another left and I didn't see it. Car coming. Whoa. I had a big truck and a car coming. Had to get off the road. Okay, I come back off 100 on 165. And trail crosses right here. And I'm starting section J. I believe when I was scouting this out, I've got a water bottle buried in the leaves right there. A little small bottle that I'll take with me. Yep, J. I'm on section J, so about a quarter of a mile. I'm just guessing back in here from the road. Maybe I should have just stayed on the road because it goes right back across it down there, but whatever. It's all good. Just proud to be out here. Later. Highway 100 again. I think this is the last time we cross this thing. I stopped back there for about maybe a 30-minute break and got chilly. I'm still trying to warm up. I put a jacket on and it's still cold. Guess all the sweat this morning was drying and cooling me off. Remainders of some old vehicles from years gone by. Looks like we're going through a nice field. Used to be a sign here once upon a time. And you can see that. That's where a bear has been clawing this thing. And it's rubbed some mud on it that hadn't washed off, so I don't think it's real old. Don't look fresh either. First real bear sign I've seen out here. Come from that direction, going in this direction. This is a loop trail. Don't look like much of a trail. Model loop trail. Bison Hideaway, 0.8 miles. They have got a fenced area. You can pull off the road and look at bison down there. And it looks like I've got 13.7 miles left. But I'll probably be camping. I'm sure that was supposed to be 2.8. Iron Mountain Camp. Probably somewhere around it. There's a shelter there, like the Night Rider shelter, but it's right on the trail. Now I'm either ending K or beginning K. I'm not sure. Road 205. Another beautiful meadow. Another one right there. Road 211. Would you look at that little bench? There is, you probably can't see it, there's a cell tower through those trees. It is evidently not a Verizon tower. I barely got a bar and it's unusable. It says I got a bar, but I can't use it. Nice bench. Iron Mountain Camp and Iron Mountain Shelter. And I am not staying. I was gonna go up there and get between two trees at the back end of the fire tower, but it is full of campers, and I do mean full. They're running a generator. They're firing arrows at a target. If they missed, it would be coming right down through these woods right here. I kid you not. So we come from that direction, and we're going that way, maybe about a mile or so in camp. Really need to go a mile further anyway. I got almost 11 miles left if this is right. So, I may be walking in the rain tomorrow, I may not, but one more mile I can do today is 1 mile less. I'll be walking in the rain tomorrow if it is raining. Forecast keeps changing. Later. Okay, there's the trail right there. There's my tarp. Still got a few drops that hadn't evaporated from this morning. There's my lovely feet. But this is kind of where I am. And